G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've embarked on a new electronic restoration project. I've just recently inherited this old 1940s radio from my great auntie. It was originally belonged to her late husband, and yeah, I'm going to do the honourable thing of restoring it to working order. It is an Astor FP type radio, and these were first manufactured in 1947. I don't know how many years after these were manufactured, but it was from about 1947 onwards, probably into the late 40s, maybe even early 50s. I don't know, but anyhow, the radio was made around that period. Anyhow, the radio is mostly in all right shape, but needs a lot of work. It needs a new speaker grill. Speaker, I don't know what the condition of it is, but from what I can see so far, it doesn't look all that bad. It needs a new backlight knob. Anyhow, I'm just gonna turn the radio. I'll give you a front view of the radio. It's largely in not too bad a shape. Needs a bit of a clean up though. Anyhow, I'm going to turn the radio around the other side and show you the rear side of it. So this is the rear side of the radio, and where all the electronics is, and we've got all the valves and everything. So yeah, there is surface rust here and there, and does look rather ratty in areas. I don't know whether the valves are functioning or not yet, but we'll find out. I know the cord is pretty much the insulations on the wires are pretty much broken down, so I'm definitely going to have to replace the cord. I'll keep the plug original. I'll see if I can sleeve the fabric over the new cord to try and keep it as original as possible. But yeah, I'm going to be feeding new wires through, hopefully through this insulation into the plug. I'll clean up the plug's pins so they look nice and shiny, and make good conductivity. Anyhow, I've actually got all the information I need, all the schematics and the parts and all that information on this radio, because yeah, it's all available on the radiomuseum.org site. So it's handy to find schematics for these projects. So from what I can see, there's not a heck of a lot of circuitry, so I reckon this project is pretty doable. I also have my good mate John Hunter, cool386.com, who specialises in valve appliance restorations, and has helped me with my His Master's Voice TV restoration. I'll be messaging him and getting assistance along the way of restoring this radio to working condition. So anyhow, here's some pics that I've got off the Radio Museum site. That's what the chassis looks like. And that's that is what the speaker grill looks like. There's actually a number of variants of fabrics used for the different range of this same model of radio. Well, it's probably same model but different fabrics. Depends on the manufacturer, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, it does need a lot of work. Need to replace wires. I need to replace old paper capacitors. They are notorious for going bad after so many years. It needs a new backlight knob because it's missing a backlight knob. I reckon I might be able to find someone on the internet that has one. Anyhow, alright, well that's about it for the moment. Just thought I'd let you know about this new project. I'll get started on it very shortly, and I will post future videos as I restore this radio. Anyway, stay tuned for my restoration videos. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.